Okay guys, so now we're gonna go right on into mounting. So we're gonna start with breaking apart these little linkers. So what you wanna do here is take the entire strip and just break it in half first. So you can just go back and forth like that. Will look like this. And then to break them each individually, you wanna hold on to one end and just go back and forth until it breaks off, and then do the same thing on the other end. Like that. So that's how you'll break apart your linkers. Now for mounting, you wanna take your panel and then your adhesive tape here. So there are parts on the back of the panel where it'll say tape here. So wherever you see that is where you can put your tape. So you'll need 3 pieces of adhesive tape on each panel. So you'll take one, stick it onto the back here like that. And if you plan on rearranging your panels often, you wanna have this stick out a little bit more just so it's easier to take off. So we'll do 1 and then 2 and 3. And so the next thing that you'll wanna do is mount this on your wall. So you can take off the backs of the tape, and you may or may not want to use a leveler depending on your design. Like that. And then you're gonna wanna mount this onto the wall and hold on for 30 seconds. And once you've mounted your first panel, you're gonna wanna take your power supply and plug it into your panel just to make sure that you've linked them all properly from here on out. And now that you've mounted your first panel, you can continue to add the other panels and create your design. So that's how you mount your canvas.